Hi Pisces! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. Gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading or rather month-end Tagalog reading for the month of August 2024. And remember na ito ay isang collective reading, Pisces. So maaaring mag-resonate sa certain collective. And if it does not resonate, I will tap into your energy next time, collective Pisces. Sa mga new viewers po natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik ng ating mga monthly Tagalog readings. At ang timestamp ngayon ay August 31, 2024 at 10:11 p.m. Okay? So, i-shuffle ko lang muna ang mga baraha in front of the camera, Pisces, and I'll see you guys in few seconds. Hi again, Pisces. Simulan na natin ang inyong month or month-end Tagalog reading for the month of August 2024. Ang gagamitin nating deck ay ang Moonology Oracle cards, Pisces. Alright? Okay. So, kukuha tayo ng 7 cards, Pisces. Are you ready? Position 1, Position 2, 3, 4th, 5th, ang 6, Pisces, and at the center. Alright? Okay. So, sa position 1 nyo guys, sa release card, nandyan ang South Node. Hindi pa ito lumabas. Kanina yung North Node lumabas eh. So, ang South Node, ang sabi dito, kasi ang release card is more like, yung completely kailangan mong i-let go, or yung mga bagay na matagal mo nang hino-hold back, or parang you put into a stop, no? O hindi mo pa ginagawa na kailangan dapat gawin na natin to act on it. So, sabi dito, don't let your past hold you back. So, baka nagpapadrag down tayo sa mga nangyari sa nakaraan, Pisces. So, the cards are advising you na it's about time na completely i-let go na natin yung nakaraan. When it comes to grudges, pakawalan na yan. Kasi these are low vibrational energy. When it comes to parang hirap tayo magpatawad or someone is, or a situation asking for our forgiveness, then it's about time na patawarin na sila or patawarin na nila tayo or i-let go na natin yung need na parang kailangan natin na ibigay nila sa atin yung kapatawaran na yan. Sometimes, you know, hindi natin kasi pwedeng mapilit ang mga tao na humingi ng patawad sa atin, di ba? So, it's more like parang telling yourself na huwag ka na tayo magpaka-attach sa past or sa outcome or gusto nating outcome ng nakaraan. Kasi past is over and done and dusted na. So, ang meron lang tayo ngayon is present para makapag-create ka ng future mo. Right? So, Pisces, sa second position, ito yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. Hold your vision. Fix moon. Hold your vision. Maybe meron tayong pinaplano ngayon sa buhay natin na importante na gusto nating maganap or mangyari, di ba? So, dun tayo mag-focus. No? You see how yung contradiction is, don't let your past hold you back. So, pakawalan mo na kasi ang kailangan mong gawin ngayon is to hold your vision. A while back, sinabi ko, you cannot make this up. Di ko pa nababasa to. Sinabi ko na mag-focus ka sa present para makapag-create ka ng reality mo. So, yun, hold your vision. From today, Pisces, on to the next 6 months, ito yung kailangan mo lang gawin. Mas try natin magkaroon ng mental diet and mag-focus sa bagay na gusto nating i-create. Okay? Yun mo nang gawin mo ngayon, Pisces. Hold your vision on to maybe sa trabaho. Yun ang priority natin. Sa taong mahal natin talaga, sa family natin. So, mag-focus tayo doon sa mga vision na mas magbe-benefit ka or gusto nating maganap instead of looking back sa nakaraan na tapos na yun, hindi siya vision, diba? So, mag-focus tayo. I-turn around mo, mag-360, turn around ka ng energy and ng focus. And ang focus is dapat sa present time para makapag-create ka ng reality mo. And how do you create your reality? Siyempre, as of now, vision siya. Pag na-bring in mo siya sa reality, magiging part siya ng present mo. Right, Pisces? Okay? Now, sa third position, manifestation. Ang sabi dito, believe in the impossible, blue moon. You see? So, pakawalan na ang nakaraan. Okay? Nakaraang tao, nakaraang sitwasyon, nakaraang cycle. No, it could be dumating ang same person na yan. Same. Forgive them. same situation, forgive them, no? But this time around, no, maghangad tayo, hold your vision na it will be better. Kasi sa manifestation card mo, sinasabi, walang imposible. Circumstances don't matter. Yung 3D reality mo, yan yung nakikita mo ngayon, yan yung mga na-manifest mo. Yan yung naging vision mo in the past. Diba? Kung maglulok ba ka sa past, ang manifest mo is in same situation and same people, same character and behavior ng nakaraan. So, dapat mag-focus ka sa present mo at yung vision na gusto mong i-create kasi walang imposible. People can change. Yung situation could change. Magkakaroon ng 360 turn around ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay? So, sa pagdating sa manifestation, sinasabi dito, walang imposible. So, maniniwala ka sa miracle. Maniwala ka na sa law of assumption or the law of attraction na and even sa multiverse or quantum jumping and quantum leaping na everything is possible. Even sa same situation, even sa situation and the people, pwedeng magbago. Okay? Pwedeng, like ako, kausap mo ko ngayon and you want me to be someone like this, pwede mong gawin yan eh. Because you have that vision of me na ganun ako sa'yo. At in turn out, ang manifest mo is that persona na iniisip mo about me. Okay? I hope it makes sense. So, walang imposible. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. You control your reality. Alright, Pisces. Now, sa fourth position, ang external energy, sinasabi dito Pisces, no? New Moon in Leo. So, may external energy dito na nire-require ka na mas maging confident ka. Okay? Confidence is your key to success. Okay? So, yung mga external energy, maaari na they could be challenging, demanding, or trying to test you. No? Yung skill mo, or yung knowledge mo, or yung work experience, yung skills mo, yung expertise mo. So, it's just a matter of owning kung ano yung kakayahan mo. Okay? The external energy. At ilabas mo yung pagiging mas confident mo sa nalalaman mo, sa mga knowledge mo, sa skills mo. Mas magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. It's more also about yung self-concept mo sa sarili mo. Taasan mo yung self-esteem mo. Okay? Yan yung external energy mo na maaari na do not show any hint na mababa ang ating self-esteem. Okay? Because hindi ka yun. Confidence is your key to success. So, you need to push a little sa confidence department, kumbaga. Okay, Pisces? Now, it could be sa career mo, could be sa love life din, no? So, wag natin masyadong ibelito din sarili natin. Give yourself, no, some ano naman, pat on your back or on your shoulder na, no, Abby, you're so smart, you're so intelligent, ganon. Give yourself that compliment that you deserve, ganon. Okay? Now, sa fifth position, magbe-benefit ka sa Pisces, ang sabi, full moon in Pisces. Alright? So, yung kanina, South Node, fixed moon, blue moon, and yung fourth card mo pala, new moon in Leo yan, guys. So, Leo is king of the jungle, the lion. No? Balik tayo sa external energy mo. Confidence, that's the lion. So, be like him. Be like that. Be like the lion, di ba? The king of the jungle na pag pumasok pa lang, it's oozing with confidence. Hindi naman kailangan ganong level, but have a little bit of confidence sa sarili mo na you can do this, you can do that. Okay? Ngayon, maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Magbe-benefit ka daw pag binabalansi mo, balance spirituality and practicality. Okay, there are certain people kasi na mas focus sila sa material world than their spiritual work, okay? And meron din naman like the mga religious people focus on spiritual work rather than they live frugally, di ba? Simple life rather than materialism, no? So, ang sinasabi dito, balansehin, baka kasi isa is too much. Okay, it could be your spiritual work, it could also be your practicality. Kung sa spiritual work, baka you're more into parang practicing yung spirituality pero na-neglect natin ang ating mga day-to-day responsibilities. Kung sa practicality naman, we're more focused on material world, career, money, stability, security, love life, pero nakakalimutan naman natin ang ating Panginoon, ang ating spiritual work, no, ang ating spiritual growth. So, dapat, you also need to feed your soul. So, balance mo yung mind, body, and spirit, Pisces. Alright? So, I hope it makes sense. Now, Pisces, sa new beginning mo, nandito ang a time for healing, balsamic moon. So, sa new beginning mo, mahirap magsimula, no? Kung hindi pa tayo fully healed, okay? I also experienced that na I'm trying to move forward, pero nag-hold back na itong past ko, no? So, kaya, yung una mo, no? Sa new beginning mo, ito a time for healing, no? Babalik yan sa first card. May kailangan mo nang i-release. Don't let your past hold you back. Okay? Pisces. So, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo pa rin mag-heal bago ka makapag-start, no? Heal from past heartaches and disappointments. Sa work man yan, kung biglang nag-lay off, that's a disappointment, diba? Kung biglaan. So, heal from it and move on. After that, kung sa love life, ganun din. Sa family situation, in order to reconcile, kailangan natin mag-forgive, diba? Kahit anong area ng buhay ko, I can share anything with you where it needs time for healing. Hindi lang sa love life to. Sa family, relationship mo, no? Pwede rin sa career din, no? I also had disappointments where it took me 2 years para finally come to my senses now. Why do I waited 2 years when it could only be parang dapat 2 buwan lang, diba? So, yun, no? It's there, but, no, to each her own. May iba-iba tayong coping mechanism, no? Sometimes kasi we tend to be attached sa ating status, sa ating money, sa ating what we can do, our ability, diba? So, there's a time, perfect time for everyone to heal and move on. So, yun ang more advices. For your new beginning, before magsimula, I think ang nire-require sa'yo is mag-heal ka completely, no? It needs time, that's okay, no? Kung ganun kakabilis makabawi, that's very good. Okay? So, it's just a reminder na sa mga bagong simula mo, may kailangan tayong i-heal dun galing sa old na situation mo or, cycle. Okay? Now, at the center Pisces, ito yung kailangan mong matutunan. At ang sabi dito, full moon in Cancer naman. Full moon, maliwanag. Cancer is more on water. Feelings represents, water represents emotions or feelings. So, a personal issue reaches resolution. See, so I do feel na you've been broken or disappointed na parang it's hard to forget that past, diba? Lahat tayo. May mga childhood wounding, pero rooted sa family, pwede rin heartbreak, heart loss, disappointment over a relationship, okay? But I suggest na you'd move on. You need some self-help books, self-help teachings, no? So, I recommend mag-focus tayo sa one way is law of attraction and law of assumption, manifestation. So, it helps me to heal my heart sa lahat in general. Ang dami kong natutunan. So, ang sinasabi dito, eventually then, for August, ngayon, no, month end, all the way to the next 3 to 6 months, yung personal issue mo na yan, magkakaroon na finally ng solution or kasagutan or ng answer or ng a resolution, meaning pwede ring reconciliation. May forgiveness din na mangyayari. Meron din para maybe forgiveness and then coming together again. You know, these things. So, may promise of good hope sa isang personal issue para sa'yo, Pisces. So, sana nag-resonate to sa inyo, no? End of August. Natapos ang reading nyo sa ganap na 10:25 p.m. Pisces. And if it doesn't resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care, Pisces. God bless and mahal ko kayo. Bye-bye!